जय प्रभु जगन्नाथ। एएसबीएम के जो पहली बार दीक्षांत समारोह हो रहा है, आई एम वेरी मच डिलाइटेड टू बी विद यू ऑनरेबल विश्वजीत जी पटनायक, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द एएसबीएम, ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर कल्याण शंकर रे जी, ऑनरेबल members of the faculty, sons and daughters of blooming India, shining India, rising India, Mother India, a living goddess, Adi Shakti. I am proud to say that since you are the living legends, sons and daughters of the living goddess, so therefore Rigveda talks about you, that you are the divine light within. You are the sustainer of the eternal values. And so similarly, the saints, the sages, the seers, the philosophers and the scientists speak about you. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Prabhu Jagannath's oration, Lord Krishna's oration speaks to you. Indriyani prani ahu, indriya bhaya param manaha, manasuta para buddhayo, buddhe para tastusa. You are much, much higher than the intelligence itself. You are the self, you are the soul, you are the transcendence, you are the truth, you are the beauty, you are the light. You are the consciousness, you are the present moment, you are the existence, you are the bliss, you are the perfection. That is what Gita talks about you. Prabhu Samhita says, Aap Anandamay Kosh hain. You come from the bliss, you want to be in the bliss, and you will return to the bliss. Osho says that you were never before, you will never be after. You are above the earth, below the earth. You are in the east, you are in the west. You are the most resourceful power on the earth. You are unique, you are beautiful, accept it. Vivekananda says, rise of soul, conquer time and death. S. Moon says that you are the small walking universe. And since the cosmic universe is stationary and you are walking and acting, therefore you can govern the universe, provided you get rid yourself, you are free from the dark shadows of authorities, dark shadows of conclusions, dark shadows of dogmas. J. Krishnamurti also says like this, that you are a light to yourself. And so speaks Iramin, the master of quantum mechanics, Tattvamasi, thou art that, which Maharishi Raman also speaks about you. Therefore, as far as you yourself are concerned, you have that indomitable power. You are the present moment virtually. And if you get to know, जैसे एज इफ मार्क ट्वेन कहते थे, देयर आर टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डेज इन योर लाइफ. फर्स्ट डे यू आर बॉर्न एंड द सेकंड डे व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट वाई. आप क्यों इस धरती पर आए हैं, ऐसा. एंड इफ यू गेट टू नो दैट द रियल कैनॉट बी थ्रेटन्ड, द ट्रुथ कैनॉट बी थ्रेटन्ड, द ब्यूटी कैनॉट बी थ्रेटन्ड, the transcendence cannot be threatened, the being cannot be threatened, the present moment cannot be threatened, you have already succeeded, you see. And therefore Shri Ma says that you are here to find the divine, and Mark Twain says that you are here to unfold the divine purpose of the universe. ये ब्रह्मांड किस लिए उपस्थित हुआ है. And therefore Shri Aurobindo says this universe is built on the existence of delight. Now the basic question is, for a student, for a child, is how to find the divine and how to be successful. कैसे हम सफलता प्राप्त करें, that is the basic question. For that Einstein says that success comes out through work plus play plus silence. Working means what? Willpower, इच्छा शक्ति, प्लस सेल्फ रेस्ट्रेंट, संयम. इच्छा शक्ति और संयम से यू गेट द फर्म डिटर्मिनेशन, आपका संकल्प मजबूत होता है. और इच्छा शक्ति और संकल्प के अंदर अगर हम परस्वीरेंस और जोड़ देते हैं, जिसको पुरुषार्थ कहते हैं, श्रम कहते हैं, तो आप सिद्धि की तरफ आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. संकल्प से सिद्धि की तरफ योर जर्नी स्टार्ट्स. Therefore, the work simply means that इच्छा शक्ति, will power plus self restraints plus perseverance, you say. As far as play is concerned, play is not playing a certain game. Play means this is the play of Lord Krishna, Prabhu Jagannatha. And it means that while moving into the world, you will go out of this university, you will move into the world, you will have to face, you see, so many things. Agonies, anguishes, sufferings, fevers, frets and fumes, and you can talk of so many other things. Auspicious and inauspicious occasion you will meet, you see. शुभ अशुभ ये सब बातें आपको मिलने वाली हैं. प्ले का मतलब है तेरे कांटों से भी प्यार, तेरे फूलों से भी प्यार, जो भी देना चाहे दे दे करतार दुनिया के पालनहार. अमृता प्रीतम की एक छोटी सी पोएम है, उसमें उसने लिखा कि फूल के साथ कांटे होते हैं और हमको सबने कहा कि फूल लेने के लिए मत जाइए, आपको कांटे लग जाएंगे. लेकिन जैसे ही हम बढ़े फूल लेने के लिए, कांटे भी फूल बन गए. दैट इज व्हाट द प्लेइंग मीन्स. प्ले का मतलब है यू एक्सेप्ट एवरीथिंग, सबको स्वीकार करो, सबको प्यार करो, सबका सम्मान करो. दैट इज व्हाट इज प्ले. दैट इज नॉन ड्यूलिस्टिक. अर्थात वर्क के साथ, पुरुषार्थ के साथ, प्लानिंग के साथ अगर लॉर्ड कृष्णा का, प्रभु जगन्नाथा का आशीर्वाद भी मिल जाए, उसके मिलने के लिए आइंस्टीन ने एक कंडीशन और लगा दिया. और वो कंडीशन लगा दिया कि आपको साइलेंस रहना है, आपको चुप रहना है, मौन रहना है. साइलेंस इज द अनक्राउंड गवर्नर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. और साइलेंस विदाउट, यानी साइलेंस कब आता है? व्हेन देयर इज स्टिलनेस विद इन, जब अंदर आपका मन शांत होता है. और स्टिलनेस कब आता है? एज फार एज द ईगो इज कंसर्न्ड, that hardly understands the present moment. As far as the mind is concerned, that dislikes and ignores the present moment. Only silence can capture. Words cannot capture the existence, the present moment. Only silence can. And silence is needed. And silence comes only when there is no mind. You are still. The whole universe surrenders to the stillness. Beauty arises from the stillness. Beauty is an eternity in itself. It arises from the stillness, you see. Therefore, as far as stillness is to be obtained, you shall have to free from pre-formulations, preconceived notions, psychological conditionings, all the conventions, all the dogmas, all the complaints, all the competitions, and all the comparisons. Caste, creed, color, cunningness, cleverness, conspiracies, corruption, political clumsiness, strategies, diplomacies. You shall have to be free from all these things. Then there can be a silence. Then that present moment is captured, you see. That present moment creates a gap in the flow of the mind, in the past and future continuum. And my dear friends, remember that nothing new, innovative and creative can come out in this world, you see, if you are not silent. This gap creates innovations, you see. And that has the space for infinitely many possibilities. अनहद नाद को सुनना आपको पड़ेगा. ऐसा ही बार बार एस.एम. मून ने भी कहा, यू कैन गवर्न द यूनिवर्स प्रोवाइडेड यू कम in the lap of the nature. You love nature. Your first duty is to love nature. इसलिए हमारे देश के सेजीज, सीयर्स और सेंट्स ने कहा, तमसोरमा ज्योतिर्गमय, फ्रॉम डार्कनेस अनटू लाइट। अगर सूर्य की तरह चमकना है तो सूर्य के समान जलना भी पड़ता है। Therefore you shall have to be free from all these things if you want to have a glimpse of the light, divine light within you. And that is the only way to achieve a complete perfection, complete success. If you deem proper, you can write down on the walls of your study room, अपनी सुबह के सूरज उगाता हूँ खुद, चिरागों के सहारे मैं कभी जीता नहीं। I simply mean, if I brief all these things in 1-2 lines, academic excellence must be supplemented by the spiritual excellence, and that is only provided by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, you see. You have invited me to attend the first convocation of this university. I am very much thankful to you. Immense pleasure it is to be with you, to speak a few words to you. Thank you very much. Vande Utkal Janani, Bharat Mata ki Jai.